Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Ford Edge key fob. Start by laying out a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 battery on a clean surface. Gently pry the fob open at the seam, keeping clips intact and avoiding excess force. Remove the old battery, note the plus orientation, insert the new CR 2032, snap the case closed, and test all buttons for proper response for reliability. Now we'll inspect the fob components and battery seating to ensure reliable operation. Remove the circuit board carefully and look for corrosion or loose contacts. Clean contacts with isopropyl on a cotton swab and let them dry completely before reassembly. Verify spring or plate contact tension before inserting a CR 2032 battery with the plus side facing up. Reassemble the case snugly, but avoid over-tightening, and test button responses at each step and repeat if necessary. Quick recommendation and a small pause. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like for more car DIY tips. I found a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that reshaped how I think about money, perfect for budgeting repairs and saving for maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can budget smarter. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we'll cover testing and reprogramming to restore keyless entry and remote start functions. After installing the new CR 2032, press lock and unlock to confirm basic operation. If the fob fails, replace the battery again and check vehicle battery charge before proceeding. Follow Ford's sequence for reprogramming the fob or consult the owner manual for steps unique to trim levels. When successful, verify range and remote, start behavior, and test doors before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.